What's up guys, it's Sugar Skull Candy and I'm coming at you with a cute tutorial today. Today we're doing a Mrs. Claus tutorial. This would be perfect if you are going to be acting as Mrs. Claus for a photography shoot, or if you dress up for your kids for the holidays. It's perfect. So if you like what you see, continue watching. These are my boyfriend's glasses. They definitely do not fit the look, but I wanted something. Okay, let's get started. Alright, so the first thing I'm gonna do is the eyes. I'm going to go in with my Naked palette, and I'm going to use the shade Virgin all over my eyelid, which is this very last shade over here. Oh, and by the way, I do already have foundation on, in case you're wondering. So for the eyes, we're just going for a very pale, natural looking look. Then I'm going to go in with the shade Naked and fill it in the crease right here. Okay, next I'm going to go in with a let's see here. I think I'm going to take a white pencil liner and fill in my eyebrows gently. I'm not going to make them like bright white. Just to lighten them up a little bit, so I can take some gray eyeshadow and make them a little gray to make my hair look grayer. That in itself kind of makes them look gray, but I am going to add gray eyeshadow anyway. I am using this palette I got from Amazon. I honestly don't remember what this palette is called, but I just literally all I did was look up rainbow palette in Amazon because I wanted a palette that had like every color you could possibly think of, and this is what popped up, and it was only like 18 bucks. So I'm going in with one of the grays that are in that palette, and I'm going to fill in my eyebrows even more. If I can find the right brush. And I'm not trying to make them super defined because she's just a little old lady. I'm sure she's not making sure her eyebrows are on fleek every morning. So she's got things to do like baking cookies and shit, you know? So next I'm just going to go in and do a little mascara. I am using Clinique Lash Power Mascara Long Range Formula. I got this at TJ Maxx and I just happen to really like it. So this has been like my everyday mascara lately. After that, I'm going to take the same white eyeshadow I used before, and I'm just going to fill in my bottom waterline. Okay, so next is the fun part. Now we have to make ourselves look old. So we are going to take some, I think I'm going to use eyebrow pencil, a combination of eyebrow pencil and some brown eyeshadows to make some wrinkles on my face. So what we're gonna do is like, let's see. You're going to fill in the natural wrinkles that are already kind of forming on your face. And you want to do the ones that show when you're smiling or happy looking, because if you do this and then fill in these, then you're gonna look angry, and Mrs. Claus isn't angry. So I'm just going in with an angled brush, and I'm using a light brown shadow. I'm going to start making my creases and my wrinkles. when you're doing the neck, if you can kind of just like suck your neck in a little bit and then fill in the crevices that appear when you suck your neck in. I can't really do it that well, but some people can like suck their neck in. I cannot. After you're done making all your wrinkles, next go in with a blush, a pink blush, and add just a little bit of blush on the balls of your cheeks. I'm using Rosé All Day by Steve Laurent. I got this as a sample size in one of my Ipsy bags, and it's just a perfect pink for a Mrs. Claus look. A little on the nose to make her nose a little rosy. I mean, she lives in the North Pole, so she's probably cold. Then I'm just, got hairs everywhere. Just going to take a very light pink eyeshadow and just kind of like dab it on my lips just to give her lips a little more pinky look. Once you're satisfied with your face, you can go ahead and put on your Mrs. Claus wig. I got one from Amazon for like 15 bucks. I just typed in Mrs. Claus wig and there are a ton of options. So go ahead and pick out a wig and then you'll be all set. I'm just going to take a light brown pencil eyeshadow, eyebrow, that's what it's called, eyebrow pencil, and give myself some like age spots and freckles kind of. Bonus tutorial, if you want to be an old lunch lady, you're done. So this wig leaves a little something to be desired, but it works. That's the completed look. The only thing that could make this better is if you had a Mrs. Claus dress. I don't have one, but I just put a red sweatshirt on, and B, glasses. That's one thing, another thing I forgot to get. But yeah, that's the completed look. If you like what you saw today, please like, comment, subscribe. Please share my videos and check back in next week Tuesday. Bye everybody.